Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and those in between, a warm welcome to you. Pimientos de Padrón is a Spanish pepper. In the world of Spanish tapas, one dish comes with a warning. Padrón peppers. Some are hot and some are not. Originating from the lush valleys of Herbón in northwestern Spain, these small green gems, scientifically known as Capsicum annum, are the ultimate culinary gamble. While they usually offer a mild, sweet, and slightly nutty flavor, about 1 in 10 packs a fiery surprise. The science in the spicy sting of the peppers. These peppers are harvested young and green, but factors like drought or late season ripening can spike their spice levels. There is no way to spot the hot one just by looking. You only know once you take the bite. This unpredictable nature has earned them the nickname Spanish Roulette. To make them like a local, the process is simple but precise. Saute them in high quality olive oil until the skin blisters, shars, and the pepper collapses. In Galicia, stems of the peppers are often removed to avoid bitterness. Elsewhere, they are left on as a handy handle for eating. Serve them piping hot with a generous dusting of coarse sea salt. Typically served as a tapa alongside crusty bread and a glass of Spanish wine, they are the perfect social snack. Every bite is a game. Will you get the mild, grassy sweetness, or will you be the lucky one to hit the heat? Either way, it is a taste of Spanish roulette you won't soon forget. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and those in between, I thank you for your presence and your time. Wishing you peace and prosperity.